what are some of the biggest challenges when filing for duty drawback? And for me, what I see is that we don't necessarily have all the facts going into that very first claim, right? In making sure that we have the records that support what we want to export and what we want to claim drawback on. I think the biggest thing that we see is just lack of record keeping and an ability to tie those imported records back to any specific inventory sitting on the floor. How about you?
I agree. I think record keeping is absolutely the biggest issue. It's the most common issue I see when there are denied drawback claims or requests for information made. It's either that customs didn't have XYZ or the notice is asking for information, they want to see it. But I 100% agree. The biggest issue I think is record keeping. And
Okay.
record keeping in the sense of the records that substantiate the claim.
Right. Not the drawback records.
Right.